need to check the aliens for about what's going on.
Oh, nice to see you back, Vanessa.
Oh, hello Mina, what do you want now?
I'm showing you my sister Crystal has a baby. Her baby is called Sandra. Do you like it?
Sandra. Who is Sandra and who is Crystal?
Crystal is my sister, and Sandra is Crystal's.
Crystal's mommy.
Hey, who said that?
Hello kittens.